Hi friends, today's video is about how to make simple and cute mini quilling dolls, goddesses Parvati, Lakshmi and Saraswati. Without any delay, let's get started. Now join 5 8 strips of white color and make a tight coil and make it smooth. Now add glue around the tight coil so it cannot be removed. My one strip length is 28 cm. Apply glue neatly. Let it dry. Now join 3 mm 12 strips. Here I am using white color and red color and make a deep dome shape. Make dome. Make little bit slowly. Here I am using 3 mm. Now add glue around the dome and apply glue neatly. Now let it dry. Now join 3 mm 12 strips of skin color and make a tight coil. Here I used both skin color and red color. Here I am making base body of goddesses Saraswati Devi. Now add glue around the dome neatly. Apply glue neatly so it cannot be removed. Let it dry for some time and take a piece of white paper and make pleats. Here I am making saree for goddesses Saraswati of white color saree and add glue so it cannot remove pleats. Now take back the white coil and apply glue and attach the saree first neatly as shown in the video. Apply to the tight coil neatly. So let it dry. Now take back the domes and connect the two domes. It will be the base body of goddesses Saraswati. Now the dome is ready. Now join 3 mm one strip. Here I am making neck for goddesses. Now connect the neck to the dome. Now connect this base dome to the base body of goddesses. Let it dry for some time. Now join 5 mm 2 strips. Here I am making legs for goddesses and make a cone shape. Do it very slowly so it cannot be removed. Make little bit cross and apply glue inside the cone. Make total 2 cones. Now join 3 mm 2 strips to cover the lead part. I am using this. Total make 2 coils and add glue. Let it dry for some time. Now take back the cones and cover the cones with these coils. Now legs are ready. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now the cones are ready. Now decorate the legs with golden strip as shown in the video. Now decorate total legs as shown in the video with a golden strip. Repeat the same procedure until end. For things needed, checking description box below. Now the legs are ready. Repeat repeat for second leg also. Now connect legs to the base body of goddesses. Now connect the second leg also. Let it dry for some time. Legs are ready. Now take a piece of paper. Here I am making saree for goddesses Saraswati. I have decorated with golden strip. Now connect the saree to the base body. Now the saree is ready. Now here I am making hands for goddesses Saraswati. Now join 3 mm one strip and make a tight coil. Here I am making hands for goddesses Saraswati and make a cone shape. Do it very slowly when you are doing combs and domes, and add glue inside the cones and apply glue with a small brush so it cannot be removed. Make total 2 hands. Now join 5 mm half shape. You can use 3 mm also for this. It is up to you, 3 mm or 5 mm for making this. Now make a cone shape and apply glue. Here I am making hands for goddesses and connect with 2 cones as shown in the video. Here I am making miniature Golu dolls, Dasra special for Golu purpose. Now join 2 mm one strip. Here I am making palm and foot for goddesses and making a teardrop shape. I have now connect this foot to the legs as shown in the video. Now connect the another foot also. Here I am making the sitting position. Now the legs are ready. Now join 5 mm 3.5 strips. My one strip length is 28 cm. Here I am making miniature Golu dolls. Now apply glue inside the dome neatly with the help of brush. Now here I am making ears. Now join 2 mm 1/4 strip. Here I am making ears for goddesses and make little bit pinch as shown in the video. Now the ears are ready. Make total 2 ears. Now here I am decorating the hair for goddesses Saraswati and make cut as shown in the video and decorate the hair to the face neatly. Now add ears to the face. Connect the second one also. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now the ears are ready. Now we are making nose for goddesses. Cut as shown in the video. Now the nose is ready. Now connect nose to the face. Here I am making miniature Golu dolls for the Golu purpose. Miniature Golu. Now join 3 mm 4 strips and make a crown shape as shown in the video. Take a pencil and make little bit cone in the middle to give a crown look. Now crown is ready. Now add glue around the crown. Apply glue neatly. For things needed, checking description box below. Now join 2 mm half shape and make a tight teardrop shape to decorate the crown. Connect this teardrop shape to the crown. Now connect the crown to the face as shown in the video. Now color the hair part with the black color to cover the hair. Color neatly. Here I am using acrylic colors. Now make some facial expressions on the face as shown in the video. Better use zero brush for making facial expressions or eyes. Zero rounded brush. Now draw the facial expressions neatly. Add white color inside the eyes. Now attach bindi to the goddesses with red color and mark the lips. Now make middle drops in the eyes. Now the facial expressions are ready. Now take a quilling trimmer and take 5 mm black color strip and make trim. Here I am making hair. Make some more and cut in a small pieces Now take back 5 paper strip and connect attach these small pieces to the hair. Here I am making hair for goddesses Saraswati. Continue. Now fold it to the, now add glue and connect to the goddess's face. Now cut the excess if the hair is long. Now connect the hands to the base body of goddesses. Now connect the second one also. Now the hands are ready. Now connect goddess's face to the base body. Apply glue to the hair and neck and connect to the base body neatly. Let it dry for some time. Now I have joined 2 half shape and I have made small jhumkas for the goddesses of white color and attached these jhumkas to the goddesses. I have used ball chains and pearl chains for decorating jewelry for goddesses. With the same procedure I have made total 2 dolls, Lakshmi and Saraswati, with the same procedure and same strips and same length. Now the 3 dolls are ready. Now join 3 2 strips of 2 tight coils, 3 strips and 3 strips, and make a dome shape, little bit dome. Here I am making veena for goddesses Saraswati and add glue inside the dome. Now add glue to the second one also. Let it dry for some time. Now join 3 1.5 strip and make a tight coil and make a dome shape and add glue to it. Now join 2 1 strip and make a tight coil and connect to the dome, small dome shape. Let it dry for some time. Now take a 5 paper strip and wrap as shown in the video. Add glue and wrap it neatly. Wrap around. Here I am using only 1 strip. Now on the edge side fold little bit. Fold in a circle shape to give a veena look as shown in the video. Now take back the dome and connect the tight coil to the dome. Here I am making veena, musical instrument of goddesses Saraswati, and connect this white strip to the dome. Now take back this small dome and connect in the middle of the strip as shown in the video. Now join 3 small coil and cut the excess. Now the veena is ready. Now take a black color 2 strip and place in the middle of the veena to give a look, and add small tight coils which previously made and add to the veena instrument to give a look. Now mark some paints to the veena. I have ordered small red color strip and other also. Now veena is ready. Now take back the veena and place it on the hands of goddesses Saraswati. Place it neatly with the help of glue. Let it dry for some time. Now veena is dried. Now take back the palm and attach on the hands. Now connect the second one also as shown in the video. Now the goddesses Saraswati is ready. Now take a thick paper sheet and draw a weapon of goddesses Durga Shulam. Now cut it and I have cutted and I have added golden ship. Now take back the goddesses Durga, Parvati. Now add weapon to the Parvati, goddesses Parvati. Now the goddesses Parvati is ready. Now take back the goddesses Lakshmi Devi idol. Now join 3 mm 3 strips and make a tight coil and make a little dome shape as shown in the video and add glue around the dome. Now join 3 mm 2 strips, make little bit small hole in the middle and wrap it as shown in the video. Now I have joined 3 mm 1 strip for second one and take back this and make a little dome shape and add glue to it. Now connect the two domes. Here I am making pot and take back this tight coil and connect it. Now take back the yellow color piece of paper and connect to it. Now add small tight coils on the, it will be the gold coins. Now paint with the golden aquatic color and connect the gold coin spot to the goddesses Lakshmi. Now the goddesses Lakshmi are ready. Now Dasra special minicare Golu dolls of goddesses Lakshmi, Parvati and Saraswati dolls are ready. Hope you will try these dolls. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting crafty videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.